Tell me, what is a software?
The software is a set of instructions that we tell to the computer so that it can give us an output.
Then what is a program? What is a program? A program is a set of instructions. The collection of program is called software. Okay? So we are going to see what are the different types of softwares. You might have heard about this. The different types of softwares are application software, okay, system software, utility software. There are three types of softwares: system software, application software, utility software. In few books you can see it is only system software and application software, and under application software you can see utility software. In some other textbook we can see three types of softwares. So it depends on others, but there are two divisions are there: system software and application software. So you are going to study about three categories: system software, application software, and utility software. Okay. So what can be, I'll show you a slideshow. Actually, it's a video. There you can write the notes. I'll just explain you what is a system software. System software. So from the meaning, have you got any idea what is system software? Gauri? System software. The name itself, the answer is there.
Related to computer something.
Oh,
Who said? Once again, tell me.
Related to computers and all the systems.
See, system software, application software, utility software, everything is related to computer. Then what makes us, why there is a classification like that? Emmanuel. Any idea? Okay. System software means these kind of softwares are needed for the working of computers. Without the softwares, the computer won't work. For example, what can be the example? Pavitra. You need the software. Suppose you have the mobile, there is no Facebook. Will your mobile work?
Yes.
Asking you, Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
It will work. Okay. You don't have Instagram in your mobile. Will your mobile work? And there is no WhatsApp. Will it work? Yes. Yes or no? It will work. But, and in your computer, there is no Microsoft Word in your laptop. Will the system work? It will work, isn't it? So Microsoft Word, can you call it as system software? Facebook, WhatsApp, can it be considered as system softwares? No. So what can be a system software? Example, can you tell me, Krishna? Krishna Chandra?
Windows.
Windows. So generally, what is this Windows? Windows is operating system. So operating system is a best example of system software. Without operating system, you can't switch on your system, computer. So what is operating system? It's an interface between, it's a translator between the computer and the user. Who's a translator? When Chinese prime ministers and when they're visiting India, you'll have a translator who knows both English or Hindi and Chinese. So our prime minister will speak to the translator will translates into Chinese and will give the information to the Chinese prime minister. The same way, operating system as an interface. We are the users, we know only English. Almost all the programming language, even if it is, all the softwares are working in English language. So we are giving these kinds of information to the computer. Then whose duty to convert it? Actually, we are giving everything to operating system. It is our operating system which is converting everything and giving to the CPU. For processing, there should be CPU if you need to work on a system. But operating system acts as an interface between computer and the user. So operating system is an example of system software. So what can be WhatsApp, Facebook, Microsoft Word, examples of application software. Very good. Then the third one is utility software. Utility software, what is the meaning of utility? Any idea? Whom I'll ask? Sana, utility software?
Don't know.
Utility purpose. We are using these softwares for utility. Utility purpose means I want to protect my system. So what I will do? I will buy a firewall. I will buy an antivirus software. So these kinds of softwares are examples of utility software. It is not compulsory that that software should be installed in your system, but in order to improve your computer's performance, you are using these softwares. So they are called utility softwares. I'll show you a video related to that. The different types of those who haven't written it, you can just write down. So before telling about softwares, how you are interacting with computer. You are interacting with the computer using programs. So what is a program? A logical set of instructions given to the computer is known as program. Okay? Clear? Respond. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's a logical set of instructions given to the computer is called as program. So set of instructions you are giving to the computer. And the set of instruction, you will make it as a program. This program you are giving to computer. Okay, next. The set of collection of programs are called softwares. So what is a software? A set of program. Okay, collection of program together, it is called as software. So that you can note it down about software. Now we have types of software. So computer software is mainly divided into system software and application software. So mainly you have two divisions. I told you in different authors will be having different kinds of categorization. Now we'll see about how the layer works. Are you able to see this picture diagram? Respond. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, you can see three ellipse figures. Inside the inner part, you can see hardware, CPU, disk, mouse, and printers. So this is the very basic parts of computer. On this layer, what is the next thing? You have operating system. Your system software will come. Then outer layer will be your application software. Okay? So, for example, application software, Microsoft Word. We are typing something in Microsoft Word And who is taking this data? Your system software, that is operating system, takes the data and it will give it to whom? To the respective hardwares. CPU will process it, and again the action is it will give back to operating system. Then operating system will display through your printers, monitors and all. So these are the mainly 3 layers are there. If you consider on the top layer, you have the application software. Second layer, there is system software. Third, the innermost layer, there will be hardware. Okay, clear? Is that clear? Yes or no? Is that clear? Respond, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat?
Ma'am.
Should I repeat? Again, no response. Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Then we'll continue with the test. Moment. Where is the play button? Okay. Got it. So computer softwares are main classification is application system softwares and application software. Under this application software, we have the utility softwares. What about browser, internet browsers? Google Chrome. Google Chrome is an example of application software. That is, we are using, so application software means we are using this software as for different purpose, application based. If you want to type something, you use Microsoft Word. If you want to browse the net, you will use a software, application software called Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. And if you want to chat with your friends, you will use a software, WhatsApp. So they are application softwares. And examples of system softwares are assemblers, compilers, file management tools, system utilities. See, this assemblers, compilers, file management tool, this you will study when you learn Python language. Assemblers, compiler. So you just need to know what are the different names. What's recording? Recording. Just a moment. Okay, so what are the 2 types of softwares? Tell me. You can adjust. Hadi, switch on your video.
Yes.
Hadi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. What are the 2 types of softwares?
System software and application software.
Application software. Okay, very good. We'll continue with the okay. Where is this going? So assembler, compiler and all you will study later. Now system software, you can see Mac OS, and this is which symbol it is? It is your Windows, and here your Android. All the things you can see. GNU, Palm, Android, Symbian. These are all the kinds of operating systems that we are using, isn't it? So question, Samsung Mobile. in Samsung mobile, what is the software that you are using? Samsung?
Android.
Very good. iPhone?
iOS.
Apple. And for your Windows mobiles, there is a software called Windows. So there are different types of softwares in the market, but the most popular operating system is Windows. That is the most popular operating system. Now, now next is operating system. How the operating system works. See, so operating system is an interface between the computer and the user. The computer means mainly the CPU. So what is the duty of operating system? It gets the input from the keyboard and it will give the thing to CPU. CPU will process it. CPU will again give it back to operating system. Then operating system will give the result through monitor. That is why from the keyboard, the arrow is to the operating system. Isn't it? And from the operating system, arrow is going out to the monitor. Okay. And what about this application? These are all application softwares. Why there are both arrows? Actually, why two arrows?
It takes input.
Yes.
It takes data and gives information.
Yes, very good. If the question is, enter the details of 10 students' marks and calculate it and find the grade. Suppose that is the question. So you have to give the inputs and CPU will process it. Your program will process it. CPU will process it and we are getting the output on the screen. So screen is an output device. So both these things we are doing through this application software. That is why operating system, and both the arrows are to operating system. Disk drive, again the same thing. You open Microsoft Word and you type something and you saved it. So it is going to the disk drive. Then next time you switch on, turn on your PC and open the same document again. So from the disk drive, we are getting it back. That is why again, two arrows up and down. Then what about mouse? Mouse is a pointing device. It is an input device. So that is why again, one arrow. Printer is an output device. That is why printer can't take anything inside. It's not an input device. You can only display take the printout means it is an output device. Okay. Then, so this is the just basic picture. So you have to, when the question comes, you have to write operating system is a program that allows different applications to work in computer. Then these are the different operators. The Unix. Let me ask you, this Windows is a free software or paid? Who will give me the answer? Emmanuel. Dia, is it a paid or free? Yes or no? Either yes or no. You tell me the answer. Is it a paid software or free software? Windows operating system.
Free software.
Paid software. So softwares are, operating systems are of two types, paid and free. Can anyone tell me example of a free software, free operating system? Have you heard about Ubuntu? Ubuntu. It is a free software, free operating system. Linux, it's free to download and work. But Windows is not free. But we are all using pirated versions. That's why you will think that is free, but actually it is not a free software. Even Microsoft Word is not free. It is again a paid software. And if you want to use a free software, you have OpenOffice. You can download in your computer OpenOffice. That is same, it has many applications like Word, PowerPoint, presentations, Excel sheets, everything you can create using OpenOffice. It's free to download and free to use. Even the source code is available. If you are a computer program expert, you can change the main coding of this particular software. So there will be a team. They will accept all the changes. If it is needed, they will do the changes and they will update the software and they will make it as another version. So that is called a free software. That is, everything is, you can download and you can use, and even you can change it. They are giving provision for that. Okay? Linux is a free. Then Windows is all the versions of Windows operating system, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, all versions. Then we have Windows ME. These all versions came and went because of few disadvantages every day. So when you buy an iPhone or any phone, next day you will get another version in the market. So that other version will become old. That is, next day they are rectifying all the errors, all the mistakes, and they are releasing a new version. Windows 7, Windows 10. So you can see many. So all the cell phones are also working in using operating systems. This is your Samsung Android operating system it is. This is your iPhone and the operating system is iOS. The operating system name is iOS. Okay, now next is application software. So application software is used for certain specific purposes. For example, school management system. It is an example of a application software. In this you can see whatever you see on the board, all the softwares are application software. You can see here YouTube. You're familiar with that. Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, Orkut, everything, Yahoo, all these things are examples. When you go to a supermarket and you're buying things and finally you'll get a bill through this computer, they are using a software, an application software, especially for that particular shop. If you go to banks, for example, South Indian Bank has its own software. Okay, when you go to ATM, they are using a specific softwares. Then if you go to hospital management system, they are getting from different software firms like TCS and all. They are buying the software for 1 year, 2 year license. Then next year they will update it. So they are paid softwares. So school also using a software, school management system. So all these kinds of things are examples of application software. Application softwares are used for certain specific purpose. Okay. Then okay, rest of the things we'll discuss in the next class. So revision on the, we'll do a fast recap. So who can tell me, Meenakshi, what are the two types of softwares?
Ma'am, system software and application software.
Okay. So what is system software, Lydia? Lydia, everyone unmute. I'll ask you questions first.
Ma'am,
System software.
easy translator.
I didn't get you. Once again.
Madam,
System software. From the name itself, the answer is the Lydia. The software which is used for the system running. For system running, these kinds of softwares you have to use. That kind of softwares are called system softwares. Example, operating system. And you have other examples also, assembler, linker, many other things, compilers. Next one, Shivani. Application software. Shivani. Unmute. Unmute, Shivani, fast. Are you saying something? I can't hear you. Then to whom I will ask, Atul, application software. Application software. Application softwares are used for specific application. They are developed for specific application. Microsoft Word is developed for text editing. Microsoft Excel is developed for calculations. PowerPoint for slideshows. Windows Movie Maker for editing videos. So, and WhatsApp for chatting. Facebook, everything. So, for specific application, we are using these kinds of softwares. So next day, we'll see utility software, some more softwares. Okay. Thank you for today. Bye-bye. See you. Hope you understood. Yes? Yes or no? Respond.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.